channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe out there. Right here, I have a Walgreens video for you guys. I went and grabbed some stuff that I needed to stock up on. For this entire transaction, I paid $1.09 per item, which is amazing. So I am going to explain this deal to you guys. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, I have 3 tubes of Colgate Total toothpaste, a package of Tide Pods, Tide liquid detergent back there. I have some Irish Spring, soft soap, and then I also have some Downy fabric softener back there. I have some grape jelly, some peanut butter. I have 6 of these Arizona teas, a box of Kellogg's Fruit Loops, and then here I have 2 12-pack of Sunkist sodas and a 12-pack of A&W sodas. We are going to go ahead and get started with the Colgate Total toothpaste right here. So this week at Walgreens, select Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99. The deal is buy 3, get 5,000 points. So you will purchase 3 at $3.99. So $3.99 times 3 is $11.97. There's also a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that I used on these that I clipped to my account. So using that coupon will bring the total down to just $6.97. So your total will be $6.97, and since you purchased 3, the deal is buy 3, get 5,000 points. Your total will be $6.97. You will get back the 5,000 points, and that'll bring your total down to just $1.97 for all 3, or just 66 cents each. So this is a super easy deal to do. Now I know normally when we have toothpaste deals, we can for the most part get them for free. But, you know, if you are running low on toothpaste, getting them for 66 cents is still a pretty good deal. For me, I have a ton of toothpaste, but I just still wanted to do this deal. So 66 cents each per tube. All right, and then the next thing we have here is the Tide Pods. This is the 16 count. The Tide Pods this week at Walgreens is on sale for $4.99. I did use a $2 off of 1 digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So with that coupon, it brought these down to just $2.99 for a pack of 16 Tide Pods. Same thing with the Tide liquid back here. The Tide liquid is also priced at $4.99 this week, and I did use a digital $2 off of 1 coupon that I had clipped to my account. So with that coupon, it brought this Tide down to just $2.99. And as I mentioned in my previous video, I am stocking up on laundry products. So whenever I find a decent price on them, I am taking advantage. Right here with the Irish Spring and the soft soap. So both of these are priced this week at Walgreens for $4.99. When you buy 2, you will receive 5,000 points. And this is a buy deal. So whenever it's a buy deal, you can use points. Okay, and you can do this deal however many times you would like to do into one transaction. But in order to get the 5,000 points, you need to make sure that you purchase in increments of 2. So, because if you don't, then you won't get the 5,000 points. And you can stock up on however much you want unless your store has a limit on how many you can get. For me, at my store, I was only allowed to get 2. So I just grabbed the Irish Spring and a soft soap. And I did get the 5,000 points. So they are priced at $4.99 this week. So $4.99 times 2 is $9.98. I used a $1 off of 1 Irish Spring coupon that I had clipped to my account. And I also used a $1 off of 1 soft soap coupon that I had clipped to my account. So with those coupons, it brought the total down to just $7.98. And since I did purchase 2, I did get my 5,000 points back. And getting that 5,000 points back brought my total down to just $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each, which is an okay price for these Irish Springs. I know there are times when we can get them for cheaper, but $1.49 is an okay price. And then with the Tide Downy Wrinkle Guard back there, that is priced this week at Walgreens for $4.99. I also used a $2 off of 1 load to digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So with using that coupon, it brought the total down to just $2.99 for this Downy Wrinkle Guard, and this is the 25 ounce. All right, moving along to the peanut butter and jelly, the Welch's grape jelly and the Skippy peanut butter right here. So these this week are priced at, okay, so the deal with these this week at Walgreens is that when you buy one, you will get one free. And so the Welch's grape jelly is priced at $2.99 at my store. And the Skippy Creamy Peanut Butter is priced at $3.49 at my store. So obviously, I'm going to pay for the highest one, which was the peanut butter, priced at $3.49. So I did purchase that for $3.49, and the Welch's Grape Jelly did ring up for free on my receipt. So $3.49 for both, or $1.74 each, which I think is cheaper than Walmart. So I think that's a decent price. All right, and then as you all may know, I love the Arizona teas, my husband and I. So I just went ahead and got 6 of these. These are priced at $2 for $1 this week at Walgreens. So I just decided to grab 6 of those. So if you're looking for some juice, now's a good time to stock up. And then back here, I have the Kellogg's Fruit Loops cereal. And this is the, what ounce is this? This is the 10.1 ounce. And so this is priced at Walgreens this week for $1.88. I did use a 50-cent off of one digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So with using that digital coupon, it brought the total down to just $1.38 for this box of Kellogg's cereal. And then last but not least, I grabbed 2 packs of the Sunkist sodas and a pack of the A&W sodas. And these are just priced at Walgreens this week for $3 for $8.99. So you can grab 3 packs for $8.99. Okay, you guys. So I am going to go ahead and show you all my receipt right now. All of my coupons did come off, which is amazing because that hardly ever happens. So right here, you can see that the peanut butter rung up at $3.49. The Welch's Grape Jelly rung up for free. And then right here, these are all of my Arizona teas. They rung up 50 cents each. And then right here, this is the Tide Liquid, $4.99. Tide Pods, $4.99. The Downy Wrinkle, $4.99. The Soft Soap, $4.99. The Kellogg's rung up at $1.88. The Sunkist Orange right here, 2 of those rung up at $6.99, and then the A&W rung up at $2.99, totaling $8.99. And then 3 of the Colgates at $3.99, so $11.97. And then the Irish Spring also rung up at $4.99. And then for my coupons right here, as you can see, the $5 off Colgate came off, $2 off Tide Liquid, $2 off Tide Pods, $1 off Soft Soap, $1 off Downy, the $1 off Irish Spring, and the 50-cent off Kellogg's. So that is amazing because hardly ever do I go into Walgreens and all of my coupons come off. So that was really good. And so as you can see right here, it brought my overall subtotal to $41.78, not including taxes. And so my goal for going into Walgreens was to use points. I wanted to use points because I have a ton of points that I have been building up with Walgreens, and so I just wanted to use them. Now with this entire transaction, I was only expecting to get back 10,000 points total, 5,000 for the Soft Soap and 5,000 for the Colgate. But to my surprise, you guys, if you look down here, so right here where it says everyday points, I got back 340. And then for bonus points, I got back 20,000. And then right here, you can see that I redeemed 20,000 points. So I redeemed 20,000 points, and I also got back 20,000 points. So I was only expecting to get 10,000 points. So I was curious. So I went to my Walgreens app. I went to my points activity to see how did I get 20,000 points instead of 10,000 points. So 5,000 came from the Colgate. 5,000 came from the Irish Spring and the Soft Soap. And then I also had a perk on my account to when I make 6 trips at Walgreens, I will receive 5,000 points. I did not know that this was my 6th trip, so that's where another 5,000 points came from. And then also there's this March, it read like March POP, 5,000 points when you spend $20 or $25. I got 5,000 points for that, which is weird because it says when you spend $20 and I use points, so but I still ended up getting the points. So 5 from the Colgate, 5 from the Irish Spring and Soft Soap, 5 from making my 6th trip to Walgreens, and then another 5 for spending 25, and that's how I got 20,000 points. So 41.78 minus the 20,000 points that I used brought my total down to just $21.78. I did get the 20,000 points back. So technically, the only amount that I spent out of pocket was $21.78. Right here, I have a total of 20 items. So when you divide that 21.78 by the number of items I have, which is 20, it makes each of these items just $1.09, which is amazing, you guys, because I was only going into Walgreens thinking that I was just going to get 10,000 points, but instead I got 20,000 points. So this was a really good day for me to go to Walgreens because I wasn't expecting. Right now I am stocked up on soda, so I don't have to get any more soda. I know that I'm going to go through the juices. I have some more laundry detergent back there for my stockpile. I'm just going to add this toothpaste to my pile, and then I'm going to prep up some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for my babies. And so, yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this Walgreens video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have done any Walgreens shopping this week. My goal is to only do one shopping trip per week. I just have to figure out which day. Sometimes I do Sundays, so I don't know if I want to do Sundays or if I want to do like maybe a Wednesday or something like that. I have to figure out what day of the week that I'm going to go out and do all of my shopping. So yeah, one day per week, that's it. Also, you guys, do not forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipt. I didn't have any qualifying items, but I did get 25 points for just submitting my receipt. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you all are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, my Instagram name is Saving with Shaniqua, and I will also have the link in the description box below. So I would really appreciate if you guys can give me a follow over there. And I think this is pretty much it for this video, you guys. With that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.